Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix the problem of your YouTube not working on your Android mobile phone. If you have a Samsung mobile phone or an Infinix or any other Android mobile phone, now I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of YouTube not working on Android version. First of all, you have to press the power button. There you can go two options, power off and reboot. You have to restart or reboot your mobile phone, but still your YouTube is not working. You have to simple go to the mobile settings, and there you have to go to the app management, and there you can see the option of app settings. Now you have to just click on the app settings. There you can go see all the apps on your mobile phone. You have to scroll down towards the bottom. There you can see at the third last your YouTube. You have to click on it. There you can see the option of force stop. You have to click on it, and now you can see the option of storage and cache. You have to just click on it. At the bottom you can see two options, clear storage or clear cache. You have to just click on the clear cache. There you can see that all the cache is cleared from your YouTube app. I hope after these measures you will be able to use your YouTube on your Android mobile phone. But still, if you have any problem, you have to just come back and open up the Play Store app. Play Store app. There you have to search YouTube. There you can see that I have got the option of open. But if you got the option of update here, you have to just click on the update and update your YouTube app first. After this, you will be able to use your YouTube on your Android mobile phone. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.